Welcome to Goldwyn Educational. Dive into a world of knowledge, curiosity, and inspiration. Let's learn, grow, and explore together. Our subject, metrology.
Metrology, derived from the Greek word metron meaning a measure, has a rich history spanning ancient civilizations to the modern world.
Ever wondered how we measure the world around us with such precision? Welcome to the fascinating field of metrology. It's not just about rulers and scales, but a science that dives deep into the essence of measurement. Metrology is the unsung hero that ensures consistency and precision in everything we do, from the mundane to the extraordinary. Imagine your day without measurements. How would you know if your coffee is too hot or if you're driving over the speed limit? Without metrology, even the simplest tasks become guesswork. It's the foundation of our daily routines, ensuring that our world functions smoothly and accurately. Metrology is not just about everyday life. It's equally crucial in industry and scientific research. It's the reason why automobile parts fit together perfectly, why your smartphone screen responds to the slightest touch, and why scientists can study particles smaller than the eye can see. Metrology helps us build, innovate, and discover with utmost precision. But metrology isn't a one-size-fits-all science. It has three main types: scientific, industrial, and legal metrology. Scientific metrology is concerned with the development of new measurement techniques, often pushing the boundaries of what we can measure. Industrial metrology ensures that products meet specified standards, guaranteeing quality and safety. Legal metrology, on the other hand, deals with measurements that impact our economy, health, and safety. It's the reason why you can trust the weight on your package of cookies or the fuel you put in your car. These three branches of metrology intertwine to create a world where precision is the norm. They work silently in the background, ensuring accuracy in our lives, industries, and scientific endeavors. So without metrology, we'd be living in a world of estimation and guesswork. It's the hidden science that shapes our understanding of the world, one measurement at a time. Diving into the first branch, scientific metrology, we uncover the basis of all measurements. Scientific metrology, you see, is the very cornerstone of all measurements. It's the discipline that ensures that when we talk about a kilogram in Tokyo, it means the same thing in New York or New Delhi. It's all about defining units of measurement with such precision that they can be used universally, from the smallest nanotechnology labs to the grandest space missions. And it's not just about weight or length. Everything that can be measured, temperature, voltage, time, has a unit defined by scientific metrology. So how does scientific metrology achieve this incredible feat? Well, it's through the use of international standards. These standards are agreed upon by nations all around the globe, ensuring that a meter or a second is the same, no matter where you are. One such system of standards is the International System of Units, or the SI. The SI is the modern form of the metric system and is the most widely used system of measurement. It includes units like the meter for length, the kilogram for mass, and the second for time. But the SI goes beyond just defining these units. It also establishes the relationships between them. This means that not only is a kilogram always a kilogram, but it's also always going to have a specific relationship to a meter or a second. This is absolutely crucial in fields like physics and engineering, where complex calculations rely on these relationships. It's fascinating, isn't it, how something as seemingly mundane as measurement can be so intricate and vital to our daily lives. From the food we cook to the cars we drive, from the medicines we take to the bridges we cross, scientific metrology is at work, silently defining our world and shaping our understanding of it. Scientific metrology thus forms the bedrock upon which all other measurements stand. Moving on to industrial metrology, we enter a world where precision and accuracy directly impact productivity. In the realm of industrial metrology, every millimeter, every micron, every nanometer counts. Every measurement taken, every calibration made, directly contributes to the overall quality of the final product. This is the arena where precision and accuracy aren't just buzzwords, they're the basic tenets, the fundamental principles that drive the entire operation. Think about it. When you're dealing with products that are used in various sectors, from aerospace to automotive, from medical to manufacturing, there is no room for error. A slight miscalculation, a minor anomaly in measurement, can have significant consequences. This is where industrial metrology steps in, providing the necessary precision and ensuring that each product meets the desired specifications. One of the key aspects of industrial metrology is the use of various measuring instruments. These can range from simple tools such as calipers and micrometers to more complex devices like coordinate measuring machines and laser scanners. Each of these tools plays a critical role in taking precise measurements, which are then used to assess the quality and accuracy of the product. But it's not just about taking measurements. Calibration is another integral part of the process. It's through calibration that these measuring instruments themselves are checked and adjusted to ensure they're providing accurate readings. After all, even the most sophisticated measuring tool is only as good as its calibration. The beauty of industrial metrology is that it not only guarantees the quality of products, but also helps in optimizing productivity. When measurements are accurate and consistent, it leads to fewer errors during the manufacturing process. This in turn reduces wastage, saves time, and ultimately increases productivity. In a world where the demand for precision is ever increasing, industrial metrology is more than just a scientific discipline. It's a crucial cog in the wheel of modern manufacturing, a key factor in maintaining high standards of quality, and a vital contributor to enhanced productivity. With industrial metrology, industries can maintain high-quality standards and optimize productivity. Finally, in the realm of legal metrology, we see where measurements and law intersect. This is a fascinating field that combines technical precision with legal principles to ensure fairness and safety in our day-to-day lives. Legal metrology is the science of ensuring accurate measurements in commercial transactions. Think about this. When you pump gas into your car, how do you know you're getting exactly 1 gallon for every gallon you pay for? Or when you buy a pound of apples, how can you be sure it's really a pound? The answer lies in legal metrology. This field plays a crucial role in maintaining trust between consumers and businesses. It's the reason we can confidently make purchases, knowing that we're getting what we pay for. Without legal metrology, it would be incredibly easy for unscrupulous businesses to take advantage of consumers, creating a marketplace full of doubt and uncertainty. But it's not just about commerce. Legal metrology also has significant implications for taxation. Governments rely on accurate measurements to levy taxes, whether it's calculating property size for land tax or determining the volume of goods for customs duties. By ensuring the accuracy of these measurements, legal metrology helps ensure that everyone pays their fair share. And let's not forget about the role of legal metrology in health and safety regulations. Precise measurements are crucial in a myriad of areas, from ensuring the correct dosage of medication to regulating the emissions of factories. In this way, legal metrology protects not only our wallets but also our well-being. So the next time you fill your car with gas, or buy a pound of apples, or take your medication, remember the role of legal metrology. It's the invisible guardian that ensures accuracy and fairness in our daily lives. Legal metrology, therefore, ensures a fair and safe marketplace for everyone. Having explored the 3 branches, one might ask, why does metrology matter? To answer this, we need to take a step back and consider the world around us. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, we are constantly interacting with measurements. The time we set our alarms for, the temperature of our morning coffee, the distance we travel to work, all of these are made possible by metrology. But metrology isn't just about making our lives more convenient. It plays a crucial role in science, industry, and commerce. Scientists use precise measurements to test hypotheses and make groundbreaking discoveries. In industry, measurements are used to ensure products are made to exact specifications, guaranteeing their quality and safety. In commerce, accurate measurements are vital to promoting fairness in trade, ensuring that everyone gets what they pay for. Metrology also fosters innovation. By setting standards and ensuring accuracy, it allows inventors and engineers to push the boundaries of what's possible. Think about the leaps we've made in technology over the past few decades. Would we have been able to build sophisticated computers, send astronauts to the moon, or create life-saving medical equipment without precise measurements? Likely not. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits. Precision in measurements can help us monitor and manage our natural resources more effectively, leading to more sustainable practices. The power of metrology is all around us, even if we don't always see it. It's in the GPS that guides us to our destination, the weather forecast that helps us plan our day, the food labels that inform our dietary choices. It's in the bridges we cross, the buildings we live in, the cars we drive. So, why does metrology matter? because it's a silent yet powerful force that shapes our world, ensuring precision, quality, and fairness in every measurement we make. It's not just about numbers and units, it's about making our lives better in countless ways. In essence, metrology is a silent yet powerful force that shapes our world, ensuring precision, quality, and fairness in every measurement we make.